Chapter 2. Interception of Information over Lands.
The unauthorized reproduction in whole or in part of this publication in any form is prohibited.
Before we start to work, we need to configure a network interface. Only a system administrator can make these changes. We set the receiving mode for the network interface to promiscuous. Here is the first network card, ETH0. After configuring the network interface, we'll copy the software from the enclosed disk. Next, we will compile and install the software on the hard disk. The software compilation process can take a few minutes depending on the hardware configuration of the computer. We repeat this process for each of the required applications. After preparing the environment, we can begin to demonstrate the functions of the individual programs. The first step is to check which computers in our local network are active at the moment. For this, we use the Nmap scanner. Our aim will be to intercept the packet transmission to and from the computer at 192.168.1.245. To read the data, we will use the TCP dump program. To intercept information in star topology networks, we use the ARP packet falsification technique, or ARP spoofing. To achieve our goal, we will use the ARP.pl script that we created previously. We will now copy it from the enclosed disk. Before starting the attack, we must enable the transfer of the packets that are not addressed for our computer. To do this, we modify the system file /proc/sys/net/IPv4/IP_forward, entering the value 1 into it. At last, we can run the ARP.pl script we copied earlier, which will redirect the network traffic to our computer. The first call parameter is the IP address of the network gateway. The second is the IP address of the target. As we can see, the TCP dump program displays all intercepted packets on the screen. Now, let's try to intercept the traffic of a popular instant messaging program. For this purpose, we eavesdrop on the packets going through port 8074. As we can see, the operation has been successful. In the next lesson, we will discover the methods to intercept encrypted information.